Now, I'm not a pro welder. I'm not even a good welder. I'm hardly even a hobbyist. So all the more reason that I need like flame retardant clothes and arc retardant clothes if I'm doing something stupid. This is a Bocomal shirt. I've been wearing it for a while I do my welding. Works great, but I got these pants on now. These are Bocomal pants. So I'll take this shirt off. How in the heck do you review pants? I don't know. So these are like your standard looking work pants, right? They got some pockets on the side. I actually like this thing has like a little cell phone pocket on it here. And then right here, you got a Velcro pocket, super deep, fits tons of stuff. Another little pocket here to put bingles and bangles and bongles in. So maybe you got your box cutter in there. There we go. So tons of pockets on the legs. The other side has another Velcro enclosure. A nice little pocket here to put something like your stinking flashlight in. Just pockets all over the place in this thing. Pockets for pencils. So it's got pockets for days. Side pockets are good. You know, I'm not a tiny guy. I'm kind of hefty. I'm a 6'1", 250. These are very comfortable to me. They don't bind up on me. Little hammer loop on them for some reason. I guess if you're just going to use them for working at everything. But yeah, overall, hey ladies, these are a good pair of pants. Velcro all over the place, which is nice. So you're not dropping your junk all everywhere. So they seem like good pants for the money. They're not too hot, not too cold. I'm wearing a 38-30. They certainly fit true to size. They do on the sides. This is Daddy's little secret here. Can you see that? They've got a little elastic on the waistband. Don't tell anybody, but if I have a big meal, that's kind of helpful to have. But yeah, if we're just out goofing around at work or goofing around in the barn and you don't know if you're going to pick up the welder or not, these are fine to just wear around all day. Nothing wrong with them at all. They're kind of dog bite resistant a little bit. I don't feel like a goofball wearing them. They're work pants. This is stuff I wear at work anyway. So they're like a what do you call this? Like a ripstop material. I don't know. How do you review pants? They're pants. They fit fine. I'm not a style icon or nothing, guys. So overall, though, Bocomal's been kind of knocking it out of the park with their welding clothes. So I've been just super satisfied with every piece of their welding wear I've tried out so far.